they'll
It's not
fly
that
out.
serious to where niggas gotta fly back home. Like, everybody that I was with that was already GD was out here. So it was kind of like, you know what, nigga?
Really?
Yeah, f it. Like, and then, you know, straight up. Especially like, you see how everybody, how you went from GD to crib? It happened. Nigga, it happened. Like, if I want a bitch, I want her. Like, 100%. Like, this thing I want smack. Like,
Okay, what if she won't you?
when it's your dogs, and they talking about some, yeah, fuck, oh, this shit trash, like, in front of everybody, yeah, hell yeah, he really fucked me up. But, shit, end of the day, like, boom, he end up to the Army, you finna go to the Navy, boop. Oh yeah, bring your ass out here, nigga, come to Alabama. You finna go up, finna turn you up. I mean, boom, a good I might be on house arrest soon.
Buzz.
I was on the phone, look, I'm arguing with my girlfriend. And went through, I got caught cheating. And then the other shit happened, and these is your friends, but like straight up.
Well, you just doubled up on it.
If y'all want to box,
Nigga like, oh yeah, Aiden's a nigga, he's a cool nigga. Like,
Yeah, he never had a problem with Aiden, bro.
I was faded, like I was super gone, like and they dropped that shit. They thought I liked it and I didn't like it. And it was just like, oh yeah, let me give y'all this idea. Woo.
You seen Baby Kia? I'm gonna have you rapping like him.
What? Who is that?
You ain't seen him?
Baby
OD
Kia.
crashing?
Hello, you talking
He's a
about
crash
the nigga
out
that be
rapper.
Like, fuck.
Yes. Well, I don't know about the fart noise, but yeah.
Yeah. No.
I'm into the
We
aggressive
need to hop
shit.
in with what's it? Laser what?
Laser dim? Yeah, he go hard.
that nigga different.
Yeah,
I got
he's
that.
That nigga on the car
he
ride.
from
That
Atlanta.
nigga
He going
different.
up.
That nigga say
Yeah.
fuck.
That nigga on some different type.
He got a
of
show
time.
out here on Friday. I'm gonna be at
Oh yeah, see.
Oh shit.
Finesse 2 times or Honeycomb Brazy.
Don't play with me like that.
I ain't even gonna say it.
I'm gonna
I'm
talk.
not even gonna say it. Don't even.
To make TikToks to your
He
music.
he said he need all the on OnlyFans. We ain't even gonna say too much. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just let you talk to him.
I need a compilation of those fart noises also. And the
gotta be like-
handshake.